In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 essential WhatsApp features everyone should know. The first option is something related to privacy. Follow me to see how can you do something that no one can see your profile picture. In your WhatsApp setting, click on privacy and then profile photo and then set it on nobody so no one can see your profile picture anymore. The second WhatsApp feature is when you can have instant reaction on the message you receive from other people. You can like the message, give some emojis, or reply, forward, or even bookmark the message. The third WhatsApp feature is when you want to send a voice message. After a few seconds of recording your voice, you can pause the recording, then listen to your recording again. If you like it, you can send it. If you want to continue, you just click on the continue, the microphone again, or you can delete it if you don't like it.